compañeros. Once again, this is Outdoor Oldies on my YouTube channel. Today is a very interesting day for us, and we have decided to meet a friend, an old-time friend here in Hong Kong, and his name is CP Chan. Shout out to him for introducing this place to us, which is good for amateur photographer who's trying to perfect skill in wildlife photography. And this will be the second time that I'll be using my Canon lens and my Sigma zoom lens also. So this park is located along the TOLO Harbor, in the new territory, which is closer to Shenzhen, China. You can reach this place by taking the East Rail line going to Shenzhen, and you have to get off at either University Station or Typo Market. So we decided to stop first in University Station so that we can walk along the harbor, passing by Science Park before heading to our final destination of Yun Chao Chai Park, where lots of birds is enjoying their time fishing, catching their foods. Anyway, let's go and have fun today. So we'll see you again later on. Okay, stay with us and please watch our YouTube channel, Outdoor Oldies Asterisk. Please click the button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Also a big shout out to Kenn and Mary Joy Apparition of Macau. Also to my friend Milorena, to my daughters Alexander and Stephanie Karen. Also to my wife Lillian and Francis and Margot Yamaguchi, and of course to my sisters Lucy Yamaguchi and Felicidad Monterey, my brother Rolando, my niece Rodaline Buenconcio, and her husband Ross Buenconcio. Also to my sisters Malu Sotoya and her husband Yoni. And of course to Migs, Jeff and Maynard Sotoya, their sons. Thank you. Science Park. Okay. TOLO Harbor. This is one of the park along TOLO Harbor, going to Science Park. is the Science Park, Central Park of Science. Look at that. So you can stand here, take some photo. We are here at the Science Park. There you are. Hello, hello. Video. Science Park with Rocky Balboa. Huh? Buo ano? One piece lang eh. This is the TOLO Harbor Science Park Promenade. It's a beautiful place, but a little bit far from downtown, and the MTR station is between University Station and Typo Market Station. However, from the NTR station you can take the bus that goes and stop close to this promenade. It's a nice place to walk around. Very few people around probably because of the weather. It's quite hot. Fortunately, the sun comes out and disappear once in a while due to this overcast and cloudy sky. You can see from the distance it's raining, and then there is a monastery right there. All right. Still walking along TOLO Harbor Promenade. It's a long walk. I think we have been walking for more than 1 hour now along the promenade, and I have seen some birds along the way. I think egrets, white egrets, and I have taken some photo with them. I don't know yet because I still have to do the post-production. It's a little bit cloudy today, so the lighting is not very good. Although I have actually, I did some trial and error on my shutter speed, ISO, and f-stop. And usually I'm using the 400mm focal length. So I don't know. Oh, there's another one there. Alright. But this one is a very beautiful place. It's a very beautiful place. Right now I'm crossing a bridge. Wow. There's another bird right there. Yeah. It's beautiful out here. TOLO Harbor, near Typo Market. My God. Finally arriving here at the Yun Chao Chai Park. We are here. We're going to meet a friend of mine. Good time. There's a toilet here. Good. I need to go to WC first. Seaside Park. Yun Chao. Ano to? I forgot the name. But anyway, it's quite refreshing in here. Very nice sea view. Lots of birds around. Heron, egrets, and so many other kind of birds. We are now going to meet my friend somewhere here along the shoreline. I don't know where. Alright, let me see. Okay. Wow, this is very nice. It's a small park, but it's quite good. In order to get here, you have to take the Israel line, which goes to China or going to Lowu, and then you can get off at the University Station, but the closest one is in Typo Market Exit B. Typo Market Exit B. Alright, so guys, see you back later. Just going to find my friend. Ciao.